Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over the best accessories here for your Osmo Pocket 3. SmallRig has a series of awesome accessories like the filter kit or the black and white Mr. Filter kit with CPL so that you can have a set of 3 different magnetic attachable filters for your shooting pleasure. The filter kit is my favorite because it's got a 1:5 ND filter, a 16 CPL filter, and an LPF filter for landscapes to reduce flaring or to be able to give you a lower shutter speed in really sunny climates. Secondly, I use the 5072 anodized aluminum cage from SmallRig that'll allow for a bunch of different options. It's got a cold shoe mount, it's got a mount for action cameras, it's got a wrist silicone wrapped around the inside. It's easy to be able to attach, simple to grip, and it doesn't impact your ability to continue to make content. And lastly here, the SmallRig S60 wireless microphone is a perfect lav mic here for interviews. You're on location shooting, or if you wanted to have a podcast, you can use this as a lavalier that connects wirelessly via USB Type-C. With that said, let's go ahead and demonstrate, unbox all of these products here and go over them separately and then show what it looks like on location and hear the sound quality and video quality when you add all these accessories together. Before we jump into it though, I do have to let you know that this video is sponsored and these products are provided to me complimentary from the folks at SmallRig. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Let's jump into this, unbox, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Okay, let's go over all the items in question here, starting with the rig cage itself first. Straightforward unboxing. It's basically got the entire unit, some information there that can be recycled. But this is it in a nutshell. It's anodized aluminum. It's got a really nice brushed metal look. You've got your cold shoe mount here on the side, 1/4-20 with the pegs, which is nice. You've got a little slot here that's grooved here to protect your joystick. You've also got a wrist strap on the side here as well. You've got the latch, 1/4-20, as well as on the back, you got the connectors for your action cam. What's also nice, you do have an action cam quick mount here as well. So if you wanted to mount it on these 2 brackets, you can do that as well. Throwing the unit on there for the first time, you just open it up. You find the slot here where the joystick is going to meet the button and the shutter button. Go ahead and you just press it into place. It'll grip there tightly, knowing that it's not going anywhere. You kind of want to adjust it just slightly so that your joystick has the maximum amount of room, but you can see here it's not impeding or having any impact. Turn it on for the first time. As you can see, really straightforward, really sleek and nice. The first thing that I want to throw on here is a grip. So I've got a shift cam grip here that's very lightweight. Next, you can throw on the cold shoe mount here or the new one on my grip. You can throw a light on and you can throw a receiver or a directional mic if you wanted. What's nice here is you can use a wireless pro that can record and it can connect. I like to throw on the charging bank. Look at that, it looks really good, really clean, really nice to be able to have. Let's go ahead and open up the filter kits. We've got the Black Mist CPL set with the filter kit that's a VND and a CPL ND filter. What's nice is that it's also a 2-in-1, so it comes with a screen protector. I really appreciate that. Opening them up here, you've got your information, you got your screen protector, and then each respective filter. Coming up close here, you've got on the top, you got the 2-to-5 VND filter, you got the 16 ND filter with CPL, and then on the bottom is the LPF filter, which is nice to have. It gives you a little bit more rosy, more of a magenta look on your shots, which is nice. The other filters, a 50% mist. You've got the white or pro mist. The bottom does have a CPL that you can rotate. So if you wanted to take the CPL off or you wanted to have the glares on there, you can. Throwing the filters on are very easy. They're magnetic, which is nice. You can just throw it right on there. It shows you there. You can see on the glare, it's got a little bit of a rosy. This is the LPF. You can throw on the VND 2-to-5, which allows you to adjust it on the camera. You can see the difference. My go-to is the Black Mist 50% Diffusion, which makes this nice haloing look on the lens, which is fun for your lights. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place on the screen protector. This is the back side, so you're going to be peeling it down. I've wiped it off with a microfiber cloth. Recommend doing it a couple times, and you can go ahead and just place it right on there. Each filter set comes with a screen protector, which is nice to have. I'm gonna place it on there and kind of just massage it through. This will give you 9H hardness protection on your screen. Let's go ahead and unbox the S60 wireless microphone. Comes with this nice little pill that is USB Type-C charging. On the inside are your instructions as well as some of the accessories that go with it. Not all of them fit in the pill, but they're nice to have here on your shoot, on the go, running and gunning, whatever it is that you do to make content. It's USB Type-C charging cable, which is nice to be able to have. Charge them when you're not using them. Opening them up, as you can see, they come with this nice plastic filament. Just going to take it off. And then on the back of each of the microphones, take it off so it has that contact point for charging. Place right in there and they will start glowing red when they're not connected. On this top side is where you've got your magnetic button. So if you want to place this on your shirt, your lapel, that's going to magnetize to it on the top. The other accessories here include the clip. This is nice to be able to have. It clips to a lapel. It's just got such a very small footprint, which is nice, very magnetic. Comes with a nice necklace to be able to put on your chest. If you wanted to use this to be able to put around your neck, it's got drawstrings to tighten it or loosen it. Or you got the running and gunning little silicone ring that will grip around it, so allowing you full functionality of the unit. If you wanted to pinch and hold it, you can, allowing for protection and the ability to make content. Peels off, you can clip it back in. The back is exposed, allowing you to still pin it to your chest if you wanted to, or use some of the other accessories to do so. I like that, really clean. Now that we've got everything attached, we can go ahead and feel free to connect it to the USB port on the bottom. That will power it once we power on the unit. Toggling it on, you can see it's now connected, it's green, and now we can go ahead and speak through it. Here's what the entirety of the rig looks like. We've got our grip connected to the quarter 20. We've also got the cold shoe mount being used by the light here. On the bottom side, we've got the S60 SmallRig microphone lavalier. You can see it's connected and working. We have our 50% diffusion black mist to be able to make that skin look really nice and buttery. Let's go on location and show you what this looks like. Okay, we're here on location. I've obviously got the lavalier mic'd up here with the cool wind protection. I also have it on the clip. I did try the necklace, but because it's so bitter cold right now, having something like this to be able to clip on is nice. As you can see, the camera itself has all of the accessories that we went over and demonstrated here. You can see the grip is on there, allowing for cold shoe mount, as well as the action cam mount. I've got the USB plugged in with the SmallRig S60 microphone that you can hear from. And then we put on there as well the lens. This is the Mist, the Black Mist Pro Mist. It's really nice to be able to get that great tone in the sunlight. Let's go ahead here and shoot some content while driving on my skateboard. As you can see here, I've got it in shot, recording me. I also have the microphone laved up. It is bitter cold here, and you can see that the microphone is actually active and hopefully reducing that wind. I can hold this out, which is really nice and makes for fun content creation. Having the black mist filter on there is really nice as well. It just makes the skin look really good, especially in this really sharp light here with the sun in my face. I think it's really nice. With that said, here is it all connected. We've got the black mist filter. We've also got the screen protector and even the lavalier here that's connected right to my chest that we've demonstrated what it sounds like. I think this is an awesome setup here for your content creation. It's great to be able to have this little clip on the back side so you can clip it onto a chest mount. You can have it on a tripod. The only thing is unfortunately, if you wanted to add a little more battery, you don't have with the creator kit a good spot to be able to put the USB Type-C. So when you take out the transmitter and place in the extra battery port, your USB port is here on the back, which it still works. You do have that kind of awkward mount there. But if you wanted to mount it on the side here, you could, or on the cold shoe mount, but on the back side here, you may not have that option to be able to mount it. Before we jump into it though, I do have to let you know that this video is sponsored and these products are provided to me complimentary from the folks at SmallRig. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.